Kapag siya ay nakita, kinikilig ako talaga. Di naman siya sobrang gwapo, ngunit siya ay type na type ko. Bakit ba ganito ang nadarama ng puso ko? Minsan siya ay nakausap, ako ay parang nasa ulap. Nangamoy kanyang titigan, sa puso ay anong sarap. Tunay na kapag-umibig, lagi kang mananaginip. Ready na kayo? Ay kagaya na walang patisig. Ready ka? Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. Ba't hindi pa na ang kanyang damdamin nang ako ay mapansin? Mr. Cupido, I love it, sa kanya din ang dede ko. Huwag mo nang tanggalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko. Let's go! Come on! Come on! Kulang na kulang, kulang sa pansin. Kulang na kulang, kulang sa pansin. Puso ko'y nagtatampo sa'yo. Bakit ba iniiwasan mo? Bakit ba palagi na lang iba ang iyong tinitingnan? Di ko maintindihan ano ang gagawin upang ako ang iyong mapansin. Lahat sinusubukan kahit ano na lang, ngunit di pa rin ka ginagawa. Nasa na mga KSP? Kulang sa pansin. Come on, come on! Kulang sa pansin ang puso ko sa'yo. Everybody, come on! Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Mr. Cupido, ako na may talunan mo. At hindi pa natin ang kanyang damdamin nang ako ay mapansin. Mr. Cupido, sa kanya'y dinadala ko. Huwag mo nang tanggalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko. Mr. I wanna see it, Mr. Mr. feel the heat. Don't you worry if you can't dance. Let the music move your feet. It's the rhythm of the island, and the sugar cane so sweet. But if you want to do the conga, you've got to listen to the beat. Come on, shake your body and feel that conga. Don't give your toes up any long. Feel the rhythm of the music getting strong. Don't you fight till you gotta do that conga. Come on, shake your body and do that conga. Don't give your toes up any long. Feel the rhythm of the music getting strong. Don't you fight till you gotta do that conga beat. Say I know it's a waste of time. There's no use trying. So scared that life gonna pass you by. Your spirit's dying. How long ago I didn't feel no strength in your emotion. What was so clear is now all the cast with mixed emotion. Deep in your heart is the answer. Find it, I know it'll pull you through. Get on your feet, go. Stand up and make it happen. Get on your feet, go. Get up and take action. Get on your feet. Stand up and make it happen. Get on your feet. The weight is on your shoulders. Toronto! Ay, pala. Toronto. Diba, may nag-correct talaga sa akin kasi nag-post ako ng video sa Instagram. And I said, look guys, I'm in Toronto. May nag-post, Toronto daw. Okay, sige na. Kumusta na kayong lahat? Na-miss ko kayo. 1 month na since the last time I was here. 1 month lang pala. I was here, of course, not everyone here today was at that festival. I brought my film, Song of the Fireflies, to Toronto 1 month ago for the Italian Contemporary Film Festival. Was there anyone here? Is there anyone here today na nakapanood ng film ko? Song of the Fireflies, nung gabi na yan? Ay, wala. Walang nanood. I brought my film, Song of the Fireflies, to Toronto 1 month ago for the Italian Contemporary Film Festival. Was there anyone here? Is there anyone here today na nakapanood ng film ko? Song of the Fireflies, nung gabi na yan? Ay, wala. Walang nanood. Uy, sold out naman ha. O ito, ganito na lang, ito na lang. Siyempre, the elephant in the room, as they say, is that alam nyo namang lahat na iba yung ine-expect nyo ngayong araw na to, di ba? Alam nyo yon, di ba? Na napakagaling, napaka-sexy na young actress. Of course, but because of a medical emergency, you got me. Ito yon. Ang masasabi ko lang, tatapatan ko siya sa kaseksihan nung 90s, nung aking kabataan. Siyempre, nung kumuha sila ng kapalit sa kanya, sabi nila, kailangan yung medyo kaidaran lang niya, ha? Hindi naman kami nagkakalayo ng edad. Wish! Sino ba dito, gusto kong tanongin, sino ba dito yung mga, di ba, meron tinatawag noon na kilabot na mga kolehiyala. Sino ba mga fans ng kilabot ng mga kolehiyala nung araw? Ni Haji. Di ba? As far as I know, the last concert that my dad had here with the Hitmakers was, from what I understand, was 2017. That was the last time he performed here in Toronto. But he is with us in spirit. And so tonight, I would like to sing 2 songs. And this first song, of course, is a song na pinamana pa sa akin ng aking ama. And I would be so honored if you would sing that beautiful song with me. Sasamahan niyo ba ako? Yes! Okay, alright. And of course, the second song naman ay ang awitin that I co-wrote. I wrote the lyrics at siya naman ang nagsulat ng music, ang aking matalik na kaibigan na si Ding Dong Avanzada. Bakit yung iba parang hindi pa naka-move on? Kasi ako move on na. Ang pinangarap ko lang noon eh, dahil diba, love team kami noon ni Ding Dong. Ang pinangarap ko lang ay sana malink naman ako kay Papa Ian Veneracion. Pero wala talaga eh. Walang nakaisip, joke. Anyway, this song, the second song, is our, of course, composition together, and it won the Song of the Year at the Awit Awards, which is the equivalent of the Grammy Awards, diba? Sa atin, sa Philippines. And it was the Song of the Year nung taong 19. Basta. Okay, alright, play that music. Ang pamana ng Alejandro family sa inyong lahat. Walang tigil ang gulo sa aking pag-iisip mula nang tayo nagpasya. Napaalam pagkat hindi tayo nakapagtataka. Hindi na ba napapagod o di kaya nagsasawa sa aming mga tampuhan walang hanggang katapusan? Napahid ng mga luha, damdamin ang puso'y tikang wala nang maibubuga. Wala na akong maramdaman. Kung tunay tayong nagmamahalan, pag di tayo magkasunduan, nais ko lang malaman mo ang laman ng aking puso, pagkati ng mabigyan ng ibang pagkakataon na sabihin ko sa'yo, di ko ito ginusto na tayo'y magkalayo, ngunit di magkasundo, damdamin laging di magtagpo. Paalam na, aking mahal, kay hirap sabihin. Paalam na, aking mahal, masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan pa, puso't isip ay magkaiba. Maaring di lang good day. He is with us always, and every time na kumakanta ako, feeling ko parang nandito pa rin siya sa stage with me. Kasi di ba, we actually had a concert here nung 20 years ago na dito sa Toronto. Ewan ko kung may nakapanood sa inyo niyan. Siguro wala na naman. Pareho ng movie. Anyway, okay, so, di ba? Kasi yan yung mga dahilan, kung yan dalawang kanta na yan yung dahilan bakit ako tinawag na Queen of Heartbreak Songs. Nung narinig ko yan, nung binansagan ako niyan, di ba? Kilabot ng mga kulyala, ako, Queen of Heartbreak Songs. Parang, ha? Parang ayoko naman yata, dahil parang lahat na lang ba ng mga kanta ko, puro na lang malungkot. Pero, today, magsasaya po tayo, okay? Tuloy ang party! Tuloy! You guys wanna dance? Okay, kanina I mentioned na magpapaakyat ako dito ng mga Zumba dancers. Mga Zumba dancers. Sino ba gustong sumayaw dito? Very, very, very simple. And I'm going to be joined here by our friends, Thea, ayan, Wee, and Marco. Ayan, come up here guys. O, diba? Kayo din, gawin na dyan, okay? Kahit dyan lang, sumayaw kayo. Magpapawis kayo. Come on! Yeah, come on, Toronto! Basic step. Talking away. I don't know what to say it anyway. Today's another day to find you. Flying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay? Take on me. Take me on. I'll be on in a day or two. Needless to say, I'm on some ends, but that's me stumbling away. So we'll learn and life is okay. Say yeah to me. It's better to be safe than sorry. Take on me. Take on me. Take me on. Take on me. I'll be gone in a day or two. All things that you say, is it little just to play my worries away? You're all the things that I got to remember. Shying away, I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day. Come on, everybody. Take on two. Come on, keep it going. Okay, this next one is one of my favorite numbers to do with my dad, and it brings us back to his era, the 70s, all the way to my era, which is technically the 90s, up until the 2000s. And this was the music that we grew up with dancing to. Okay, so kahit nandiyan lang kayo, I would love for Toronto to dance with me! Okay, this is what I call retro dance. Here we go! Siyempre, the elephant in the room, as they say, is that alam nyo namang lahat na iba yung ine-expect nyo ngayong araw na to, di ba? Yes. Alam nyo yun, di ba? Na napakagaling, napaka-sexy na young actress. Yeah. Of course, but because of a medical emergency, you got me. Ito yun. Ang masasabi ko lang, tatapatan ko siya sa kaseksihan nung 90s, nung aking kabataan. Siyempre, nung kumuha sila ng kapalit sa kanya, sabi nila, ang kailangan yung medyo kaidaran lang niya, ha? Hindi naman kami nagkakalayo ng edad. Ah, wish. Diba? But since you got me, are you ready to have fun with me? Yeah? And ang gusto ko malaman, party people ba ang kababayans dito sa Toronto? When this song was #1 on the radio. Naalala niyo pa? Kailangan tumawag pa kayo sa radio station para lang marinig ang mga kanta ko. Di ba? Kahit tagal ko na hinihintay puso mo. Ngunit kahit anong gawin, di mo ako pinapansin. Bakit ba? Bakit ba nasasaktan ang puso ko? Hindi ko masabing may gusto ako sa'yo. Kung sana'y kaya kong gawin, di na ako maghihintay. I want you guys to sing. Kahit ang marama ako'y mapapaliw. Sabihin mo ako'y mahal mo rin. Minamahal kita, linyapin mo sana. Pray to God. And ito naman, para dyan sa mga inyo na mga bulag sa pag-ibig. Kay dami ko nang naiibig, kay dami bumubulong sa aking isip. Sabi nila ikaw ay may ibang mahal. Sabi nila tayo'y hindi magtatagal. Okay, sige naman, isipin mawawala ka sa aking piling. Kaya't mabuti pa huwag alamin ang totoo. Ayoko nang malaman pa na mayroon ka ng iba. Hayaan nang maging manhid itong isipan. Di na yan naman totoo, baka masaktan lang ako. Hayaan nang maging bulag sa katotohanan. Ayoko nang malaman pa na mayroon ka ng iba. Hayaan nang maging manhid itong isipan. Di na yan naman totoo, baka masaktan lang ako. Hayaan nang maging bulag sa katotohanan. Bakit ba nasasaktan ang puso ko? Hindi ko masabing may gusto ako sa'yo. Kung sana'y kaya kong gawin, di na ako maghintay. Kahit ang parang ako'y mapapaliw. Sabihin mo ako'y mahal mo rin. Minamahal kita, sabihin mo sana. Kahit minamahal kita, tingnan mo sana. Hayaan nang maging bulag sa katotohanan. Mahal ko. Thank you so much. Are you guys having a good time? Yes! Umiinit din pala dito sa inyo, no? Sabi nga nila, di ba? Sa Pilipinas daw, pag ganitong summer, di ba, iilan lang yung season sa atin, di ba? Buti nga dito sa Toronto, buti nga dito sa Toronto, di ba, 4 seasons lang talaga, di ba? Kailan ba lumalamig dito? Mga October, ayun. Favorite season ko yon, yung fall. Di ba? Kayo, favorite season ko talaga yung fall. Ayoko ng summer. Ayoko yung basa yung kilikili ko. Mas gusto ko yung parang bango-banguhan, naka-leather jacket. Yung ganun lang, di ba? Naka-boots. Ayun. Kaya lang may nakita ko sa Makati Avenue, naka-scarf eh. December noon pero I'm sorry, wala tayong karapatan sa Manila na mag-scarf. O mag-Ugg boots. Diba? Wala talaga eh. Sorry, pero pausan ng paa. Diba? Oh my God. Oh, yun. Anyway, I hope you're all having a good time. Ayun, may breeze naman pala. Ayan. Para medyo hindi tayo masyadong pawis na pawis. Pero ito yun I'm going to be asking you to sing along with me. And later on, I'm gonna make you guys come up here to dance. Okay ba? May mga sasayaw? Magsusumba tayo, ha? Ayan, ready sila. I love it. I love the party people of Toronto. Diba? Okay, for the next song, I know you guys know this one very, very well. And so I'm going to point to you to sing the lyrics later. Okay, so I really want to hear your singing voices, okay? This is a song that was from my third album and it was written by one of my favorite OPM composers of all time. At saka siya yung napakagaganda ng mga English OPM songs niya. You guys remember Odette Quesada? Odette Quesada wrote some of the best English OPM songs, di ba? Okay, so ito naman ang isa paborito ko and it was my single. I revived this song for one of my earlier albums. Play that music. Here we go. Is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play, memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say. Kayo naman! What to say? I love it. Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. Here beside me all the time. Woo! I have loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines, but here I am. Struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. Sing it! What to say? me in touch. Me in touch. Let's see how it's it. Let's see how it's it. Let's see how it's it. Meet me in touch.
Alright, let's give it up for Rachel.
Oh, Mickey, you're so kind. You're so kind. You're going. Hey, Mickey. Hey, Mickey. That's a little long. You think you got it right, but I think you got it wrong. Can you say you're not so you can take me home, Mickey? When you say you will, you always mean you won't. You're giving me a chill, baby. Please, baby, stop. Every night you still leave me all alone, Mickey. Oh, baby, what, baby, you don't understand. Take me by the heart when you take me night. Oh, Mickey, you're so pretty, you guys like you, Mickey. Oh, what you do, don't break my heart. The 90s. Come on, 90s people. Everybody dance now. The Running Man. Here is the dawn, back is the gate. Never side of the fence, and I don't waste time on the line when the jump out. Jump to the rhythm, jump to the rhythm, jump. And I need to provide, need to live to me. You take a thing, take a chance. Come on, man, man. God, radical, don't wait in the world. Move. Well, baby, the music can't control. Let the rhythm live. Roger Rabbit. Let the rhythm move you. I wanna go higher. Boom. Ice, baby. Everybody dance now. Oh my Gangnam Style! Thank you! Thank you everybody, Toronto, thank you! Thank you so much, VIPC! And before I go... Yes, hi! Before I go... Kailangan ba? You guys want more? Okay, meron pa naman talaga. Kayo naman, alisto lang kayo. We would like to acknowledge all of our sponsors. Without their support, important events such as the Mabuhay Philippines Festival would not be possible. We would like to thank TD Bank, George Brown College, City Center Dentistry, Graceful Essence, Jollibee, Skyflakes, WFG, SMDC, College of Makeup, Art and Design, Philippine Airlines, Air Canada, Remitly. 1 second na, checkin ko lang kung totoo ngang meron pa. Okay, di bale, wala daw, but I will sing a cappella for everybody because I love you guys! Before we go, I don't want to forget anybody. Air Canada, Remitly, UMass, CRD College of Healthcare, Robinson's Land Corporation, EZ or EZY Remit, Katinko, Starbucks, Luminous Financial, Apple Uno Products, My Beacon, Gcash, Ron Rose Printing, ISNA or ISNA Canada, Rise Tribe, Makilala Restaurant, BB's Diner, Palatine Hills Estate Winery, Resort Jean, Laydan, L-A-E-D-A-N, Laydan, Lexus of Fairview and Sunshine Rentals. Give it up for them! right. Okay, all right. I don't want to go without singing this beautiful song, of course. The theme for loving everything that is Filipino, and especially original Filipino music. Originally, of course, written by our national artist, Ryan Cayabyab, and sung by Haji Alejandro. Sing it with me. Kay ganda ng ating musika. Here we go. Mula nung ako'y natutong umawi, naging makulay ang aking munting daigdig. Tila ilo palang pag-ibig, kung malalim damdamin pag-ibig, kung umapaw ang kaluluwang tinig, ay sadyang nanginginig. Magmula nung ako'y natutong umawi, bawat sandali aking pilit mabatid ang hilig na may tuturing aking mapupuring pagkakukutangin. Di marami ang di nagsasabi, heto na, inyong dinggin. Kay ganda ating musika, kay ganda on this Saturday night. Did you guys have fun? Don't go away, marami pa. I'm gonna just change. Magpa-powder ako ng nose. And of course, babalik ako for Francis Libira Fashion Show. Okay, see you later. Alright. Crowd shot daw tayo, crowd shot.